How to turn one layer into multiple layers in Cricut Design Space. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, click on Images tool and select Image Sets. Step 2. Type in Zentangle in the search bar, then scroll and search for an image to use. Step 3. Select the image that you want to use and click on Add to Canvas. Step 4. Once the image populates in the canvas, then turn off the grid lines in the canvas if you wish to. Step 5. Click on the design, then click on the duplicate button in the Layers panel. Step 6. Separate the two layers, click on the Color Swatch button in the toolbar and change the color. Step 7. With the second layer selected, click on Contour in the bottom right side of the screen. Step 8. Since this will be the bottom layer, click on Hide All Contours and close the contour window. Step 9. With the second layer selected again, click on Arrange in the toolbar, select Send to Back and drag it underneath the top layer. Step 10. Now duplicate the top layer again by clicking on the duplicate button with the top layer selected. Step 11. Drag it away from the layers, click on the Color Swatch button and select a color of your choice. Step 12. Place the top layer on top of the first two layers, select all the layers, click on Align and select Center. Step 13. Select the second layer from the Layers panel on the right side of the screen and click on Contour. Step 14. Now you need to fill in the layer underneath the top black layer. Start clicking on Shapes in the contour window and keep an eye on the design on the canvas. Step 15. Keep contouring on the second layer until you're happy with the result and close it. Step 16. Now separate all the layers and check how the layers are turning out. Step 17. Position the layers on top of each other by selecting all, clicking on Align, then selecting Center. Step 18. If you are not satisfied with the layers, select the layer from the Layers panel and click Contour again. Step 19. Start contouring again, then close the contour window once done. Step 20. Next, select the second layer from the right panel and click on Duplicate. Step 21. Click on the Color Swatch button and change the color. Step 22. Click on the new layer in the Layers panel, drag it down and place it below the second layer. Step 23. Next, click on Select All, Align, then select Center. Step 24. Select all the layers and move them a little over to the left for a better view while contouring. Step 25. Select the third layer from the Layers panel and click on Contour. Step 26. Fill in the areas for the third layer and close the contour window once done. Step 27. Drag all the layers apart and check the difference. Step 28. Click on Select All, Align, then select Center. Step 29. Add another layer and contour it following the same steps. Step 30. Once done, click on Group in the right panel with all the layers selected. Step 31. Select the layers from the right panel and change the colors if you wish to. Step 32. Once you're happy with the result, click on Save, set a title and save it. Step 33. Click on Make it, position the design in all the layers, then click on Continue. Step 34. Next, click on Browse All Materials, search and select the material, then click Done. Step 35. Place the paper onto the cutting mat and cut all the layers one after the other. Step 36. When the cut is finished, unload the mat, flip it over and remove the cardstocks from the mat. Step 37. Once you have all the layers cut and ready, assemble and glue them together. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.